Hello, Bear Bull traders. This is Vicer. This is my trade review of E-Trade today. I had E-Trade and Ameritrade on my watch list based upon the news from this morning about Charles Schwab trying to acquire Ameritrade. So Carlos and Norm reviewed E-Trade as well because it was gapping down. So I put E-Trade on my watch list. I didn't get in on the trade this morning. I was watching some other symbols and missed this short right here. Took E-Trade off my watch list and watched other symbols. Later on in the morning, maybe around 9 o'clock my time, Norm had mentioned that he had gotten into E-Trade from the long side. So this piqued my interest. And I could see that we had made the lowest low of this morning was right around down here at 41.17. So I wanted to see if the price would come back and make a pullback entry that I could get in on and minimize my risk. So I patiently waited and eventually started getting a pullback. And so what I was starting to look for here was if price, after it made its new low, that it was going to stop making new lows. So this was the lowest low in the last 4 or 5 minutes. And so I got in on this candle right here. And of course, price pulled back. I would have stopped out had price gone below the lowest low of this candle. So I would have got out around 41.40. I got in at 41.45. That gave me 15 cents of risk. I've watched quite a few videos from William and Eamon, and they were kind of very good at training and explaining people the ABCD pattern. So I looked at this as kind of a reset for an ABCD pattern going to the long side. So this would be point A right here, point B, pull back to point C, get long on C for taking a profit up around D, which would be a higher high than this point. However, yesterday, because I missed getting filled by 4 cents, I put my order in immediately to take profit 42.07. So I let the trade ride. Started working in my favor. And here you go. This is the candle which I got filled on. One share got filled, and it took probably about 15 or 20 seconds for the other 99 shares to get filled, but I got filled. And so this completed the ABCD pattern for me, and I was happy. So point A here, B, C, entry on price reversal, and profit taking on point D for me. And yes, price did go up and eventually touch VWAP. However, because I only had 100 shares, I wanted to take my profit and get out of the trade. So I just wanted to thank Norm for calling that trade out because I wasn't paying attention. And also like to thank William, who isn't part of the room at this time, and Eamon for all of their YouTube videos explaining the ABCD pattern. So thank you all. Hope you have a good night. See you in the chat room tomorrow.